Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. If you are new to these videos, please consider subscribing to our channel or liking our videos. Today we're going to be looking at emergency medical situations in China. Let's check it out. Accidents happen, but what happens when they're in China? Today we talk about medical emergencies in China. Now, the ambulance number over here in China is 120, but I've got to say that there's not a reliable English service. So you may have to ask a Chinese friend to call or a bystander. In recent years, China has had cases where Good Samaritans have come along and helped people who are injured in accidents, but in turn they were actually accused of having injured the victims of themselves. So although nowadays there are many provinces with a Good Samaritan law in China, they generally aren't that well known by the local population, so people are still a little bit hesitant to help. So we're having a baby in China, and with our lack of Chinese, if there were a medical emergency, we'd be having a really tough time, and we don't want to leave ourselves in that situation. So what we did is we took matters into our own hands and we took a first aid course. Now, the first aid course that we did was at an international hospital clinic called Distinct Health. They have branches across Shenzhen and China. The one-day course was actually pretty comprehensive and covered both adult and infant emergency response procedures very well. Let's take a moment now to check out a couple of things that we learned. So on this course, our instructor shared some thought-provoking statistics about Beijing's emergency medical response times and statistics. So the average ambulance response time is about 30 minutes. Now, 80% of unresponsive collapses occur away from a medical environment, and 25% of those unresponsive collapses, there is a first aid trained person there to help you. Now, of those 25% of people that help you, well, only 10% of the unresponsive people survive. So what we kind of took away from this course and discussing with the instructor and from our time living in China is your health and safety is very much in your hands. So make sure that you are safe and aware of your environment. But we're glad that we took this course so that we can be proactive in protecting the health of ourselves, our family and our friends while in China. And we urge you to be safe.